The clock struck midnight. Fireworks lit the sky. People smiled, hugged, made wishes. But you just stared at the screen and whispered, "Not again." Another year ended. Another year where you promised yourself, "I'll change," and didn't. 2025 didn't fail you. You failed yourself. Every night you said, "Tomorrow." Every morning you chose comfort. And slowly, your dreams became background noise. Then one day, something strange happened. You imagined yourself in December 2026. Not rich, not famous, just proud. Proud that you didn't quit when motivation died. Proud that you worked when no one clapped. Proud that you became disciplined, not lucky. That version of you looked straight into your eyes and said, "I didn't do anything extraordinary. I just stopped lying to myself." Success in 2026 will not come from motivation videos. It will come from boring routines, from silent sacrifices, from days when no one believes in you, but you still show up. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a painful decision. A decision to wake up earlier. A decision to stop scrolling and start building. A decision to choose growth over comfort. 2026 is not magical. You are. And 1 year from now, the same clock will strike midnight again. The only question is, will you be watching fireworks or celebrating the person you finally became?